Hello, and welcome back to Jeff's Giant Growing Journal. I know it's been a while since you guys have heard from me. I took a break from doing some videos last year, and I'm back this year. I'm planning on hopefully doing a few this year, and hopefully have something good to show at the end of the year. Good Lord willing. Since I don't believe the soil tests have been beat to death enough, we're going to test a couple different soils, see what happens with these seeds. Let me just kind of get into it a little bit real quick. I'm doing two different soils. I'm not going to reveal what those soils are just yet. Probably here in a couple weeks I will. We're about a month away from seed starting, so I imagine in about 2 weeks I'll know something that's standing out, one of those two. But I'm doing something a little bit different with each one. I will have two seeds, two of them that are just plain soil. And actually one of those two, I was just informed about this stuff. The Bigfoot Mycorrhiza Gold. I'm going to add that into one of the plain ones. I'm also going to do that right there. I'm going to add a little bit of that into one. That is the bio-enhanced granules. I am also going to do two with the Kelp for Less Roots 66 in it, and then I'm going to do two with both the bio-enhanced granules and the Kelp for Less. So in total there'll be 8 different pots with all the same seed. I got my seeds soaking here now. I'm going to soak them for probably about a half an hour or so. I did file those seeds. Some people say that you don't need to. They're probably right. God doesn't make mistakes, and he made the shell just the right thickness that they needed to be. I like filing them because it does allow the seed coating to pop off a little bit easier when it comes up out of the soil. I'm going to go ahead and get all these mixed up, and I'll come back once I get them all done and tell you a little bit more. Okay, I'm back. It's getting dark on me, so I'm going to make this video a little bit sooner than I really wanted to. But basically what I've got is I've got 8 pots of that particular soil. That soil, it's a commercial potting mix is what I'm going to call it. Not available at a big box store. I actually get it from a greenhouse supply store. It's about an hour and a half or so away from me. This one is, I know it's available to everybody in the United States. I do not know if this company ships overseas or not. They definitely ship to the United States, and it does have to be ordered. Like I said, I'll reveal what it is in probably a couple weeks. The seeds have been soaking. It's probably going to be closer to an hour. What they each of these pots have gotten. So that is the Plain Plus BF, which is the Bigfoot. That has the Root 66 in it. That is the bio-enhanced granules, the BE Plus. And this last one will be both. This is the other one. Basically what I did was I measured out my soil, and I added 1 tablespoon per pot of the BE Plus, and mixed up the soil. I used a half a cup of water per pot and 1/4 teaspoon of the Roots 66. The Bigfoot, I also used a 1/4 teaspoon in the water as well. And all I did was I mixed that up, and then I just pour it in there, mix that up, and put it in the pots. I will plant these seeds and get them covered in plastic, and they will go on a heating mat in my grow tent. And I'll be back in probably about 10 days. That should give them time to pop up, and we'll get a first look at hopefully every single one of them popping. That's it for this first episode of the 2026 season. May God bless you and grow big. Okay, I wanted to come back one more time, show you them on the mat, covered up, covered in plastic, and let you know I am in no way sponsored, not by anybody. I was sponsored by Kelp for Less a couple years ago. My discount is still good, so Jeff 10 will get you 10% off of your order, but I am in no way sponsored by them or anybody else. I'm just doing this out of my own curiosity. I've had good success with the commercial potting mix that I am using. I've never used the other mix, so that's why I want to try it. I want to see which one's better. I don't mind the beautiful looking strawberries or the beautiful looking hot pepper plants overwintering in my grow tent. Experience has told me to wait at least 5 days before checking these, so I'll be back in 5 days. Take a look at them. Good luck. God bless. Grow big.